Snooter. Snooter. No. Get out of that garbage. Snooter, get out of that garbage. Well, it's time for some new collar tags. I don't have any good collars to put them on, so we'll use what I got for a day or two. Old Snooter, the other day, a few weeks back, he had some dogs come in through here and wanted to eat. He took off up the mountain with them. Took us about 2 hours to find him, and he didn't have no collar or tag on, so we were lucky we got him back. But got him and Jack a new collar. Now we'll put new tags on these old collars for the other three. Then I get a chance to get back to co-op. I found out you can buy a collar down there and they'll put a tag on for you. So then that'll make these I'm doing today more emergency collars. I'll pick up 3 more with the tag at co-op. I'm going to use an old chisel, just tap them on there with. You need a good solid piece of steel to tap these rivets. But after I get done here, I'll move to the anvil and tighten them all up. But one of the first problems, these old collars like this, they really build the funk up. I'm going to scrape that off first and give it a good washing before I put it back on the dog. Look at that funk. I should have cleaned that a long time ago. Find it some soap and water somewhere. For sure. Almost worked. First thing we got to do is figure out where we're going to put it. Get it close to center. There. One of these little nylon things. Torch is about the best way to go. Don't like having a torch in the barn. Any kind of flame. For this here will give ourselves a pack. So we're going to heat up this. Heat up this old chainsaw file. Here it gets warm. Take them out. See, you want a little dead center. Turn the torch back off for a second. Don't grab the hot part. All them burgers though. Scratch up a good piece of salmon. Through there. You turn it the right way. Find a cap. Find a hammer. I think I'll tighten that a little bit. There we go. Probably do it right there. Here's the torch up. I don't like putting away smoke in the barn or nothing. I had a board I think we was gonna breed a horse, a man stud horse. And somebody come in there the day before this happened. He had a girlfriend with him and she was smoking. And then that night his barn burnt down. He got all his horses out before. One of them was that dry stud horse that we was gonna breed to. He lost like 10, 12 horses. The kid never smoked in a barn. Tap them up, make sure they're good and snuggy. And little rams on the back side. Make sure it ain't sticking out where it grab your dog draw. Bow in that. Ain't hard. So it ain't hard on your little puppy.
Funky.
Well, that was a good little rainy day project. It's really coming down here today. I'm hiding out here in the barn again. Well, we got that took care of. Wasn't the prettiest job, but at least we'll be able to have a name tag for a day or two till I get them other collars. So, that's it. Time to go in and watch that cartoon.